So, hello students, welcome to Sarat Chandra IAS Academy. So, today we are here to discuss about the UPSC Civil Services examination, that is your mains 2024, which is going to be held from 20th of September in 2020. Okay. So, we already have launched UPSC mains 2024 main test series that has started from June 22nd. But we know that the result has been released at the end of June. So, there are many people who want to take the test series again from the beginning. So, we have just made slight changes to the schedule and we are relaunching the test from 13th of July. Okay. So, 13th of July is Saturday and the test will be continued till 8th of September. So, you will be having around 12 more days for your final examination right after you complete your exams. Okay. So, we have divided this test series into a total of 15 tests. 15 tests consists of 3 cycles and each cycle in the first and the second cycle will be having the part test or the sectional, you can call them, because we can see in the initial first test in the first cycle we will be having syllabus from the entire history, that is your Indian history and the world history and the post independence history. So, all this comes under your cycle 1 and the second test is from your GS2, in which we have the polity and the constitution part from the syllabus. I will be showing you the syllabus as well and I will be attaching the syllabus PDF to this video. You can go through that. And the third test is on the entire Indian economy and agriculture part. And the fourth test is from GS4 and you will have part of the ethics syllabus and the related case studies from it in this test. Okay. And going to the cycle 2. In cycle 2, we have what we are left with is the society and geography part from GS1, and in GS2 we have social justice, governance and international relations. And in 3 we have science and technology, environment, disaster management and internal security. And in GS4 we have the rest of the syllabus part and the case studies associated with that. Okay. So, here you will be going to the pattern of this as same as UPSC and you will be dealing with the case studies in both these tests. So, we are not separately dealing with case studies. So, we want to cover all of them. And next, coming to the essay part, we have 3 tests for the essay, and in first test we will be covering 4 topics that was mentioned, they were mentioned in the syllabus schedule, and in the second test we will be dealing with 4, and in each of these tests we will be adding 1 philosophical question. Okay. So, that we know that the importance has shifted a bit, so we are dealing with that, and we will have a full length test on essay. And there will be in the final cycle we will have exams in the consecutive days, like all your part tests will be completed by 1st of September. So, by September 1st you will be done with all the syllabus. So, you will be at least reading it once, the entire syllabus, and from 4th of September to 8th of September, that is your 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th, we have the last cycle. The exams will be conducted in the consecutive days, just not as of in the main examination, but we just want to emulate the same by keeping that day after day. Okay. And then I will be showing you the schedule as well, you can just go through that. So, as I already told you that the test will be starting from 13th of July till 8th of September, and we have cycles. Each cycle have 5 tests from essay to general studies paper 4, and in the first 2 cycles we are focusing on the part of the syllabus or the subjects in specific. Okay. In the final cycle we will have a simulation mode examination, and we have a flexible schedule. You can just right after we start uploading the questions, you can download the questions or you can come and write the questions anytime you want. okay, and they are available both online and offline, and you will be received detailed model answers, and you also will be getting one-on-one discussion soon after you complete your exam. Okay, so one thing is your one-on-one discussion, and the second thing is the evaluators giving you major points or the mistakes where you have gone through, and the model answers as well. You will be able to observe what else to be included in your answers. So these 3 points will be helping you in rectifying your mistakes and getting better in your final examination. Okay. So as I told you, the first test starts with the history and of India and the world history. So we have the culture part. So we have the culture part, the modern Indian history, right, the post-independence history, the world history, and the political philosophies, right. And the second test, I told you that we will have an exam on Indian polity and constitution, the constitution part, the polity part, the parliament, the comparison of Indian constitution, the devolution of powers, the federal structure, on the parliament, the state legislature, executive, judiciary, the ministries and departments, the pressure groups, representation of the People's Act, going to the third test, that is the Indian economy. So in this entire part, we will be dealing with the Indian economy section and the agriculture, industries, infrastructure, and the investment models. Okay? And then we have the ethics part 1. I told you we will be dealing with only part of the syllabus, from the essence of human actions to the contribution of moral thinkers and philosophies from India and world, and the case studies associated with the above topics. Then we will be moving to the essay. This will be conducted on Sunday. You can look at the topics here. And here we have the next topics from Society, Geography in India. Okay, the left off topics from GS1. And then we have social justice, governance, international relations. All the points mentioned in the syllabus were covered. And then in test 8 we have science and technology, environment, disaster management, and internal security. Okay. And then GS4 again, the rest of the topics from ethics and the associated case studies. And we will be moving to, from 1st of September, we will be dealing with the essay 2 on these topics: women empowerment, international issues, internal security, history, science and technology, the philosophical questions. And here we have the final cycle where we have exam on 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. So this is like a simulation mode. You can write your exams day after day, so that by the time you are completing your part exams, you will be reading them at least once, okay, and you will have a time period of 3 days for your revision, and then you are going with this full length simulation cycle. So this is how it goes. I will be attaching the schedule to this video. You can contact the branch at Hyderabad or Vijayawada, and you can also call us on the number that we are providing, and you can know the process. You can go through the schedule, and if you want any help with joining the initiative, you can reach out to us. Thank you.